Good morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be putting in a transmission mount by Tuff mounts. Now this is a product I've been wanting to try for quite some time. So this is the box here that you get. One thing I want to say about this is the quality of the packaging and the Tuff mounts product is really top shelf. So this is it. The bushing, I've got the Tuff mounts, engine mounts in there with the red bushing. I don't think that they give you the option of bushings on this because I know it's going to be hectic. So these ones are quite softer than the red bushings. I think they're a 70 Duro. So slightly softer, but yeah. And also what comes in the box, Tuff mount sticker, installation guide, so yeah, it's not that hard to put in, and also comes with Tuff mounts catalogue. So they've got some cool stuff in here. So yeah, you can get different coloured bushings as well as solid inserts, as well as cross members, sway bars, coil relocation kits, obviously some cool shirts. I want to get some of these, that's pretty cool. So yeah. So on the back of here, welcome to the Tuff mounts crew. So yeah, thank you for choosing Tuff mounts and we hope you enjoy this product. So yeah, it's a very good looking product. It's very well made. I have nothing but good things to say about it. So let's put it in. Alright, find a plank of wood and jack up the transmission to keep it in place. Okay, the first nut's going to take off, these two 13mm. Okay, once you have taken them out, now you're going to take out these four 15mm bolts. Alright, so once you undo them four bolts, you can move it aside, and now we've got to get these two 11mm bolts out. Have a look at this. That's broken. About time we upgrade this. And that way you can see that. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. Look at that. She broken. We'll never have to replace one again. Alright, so I had to take it apart so I could access the top bolts. So yeah. Alright, now after you put it all in, tighten all the nuts and bolts up to 58 Newton meters, and it's that easy. Look at that. Sweet. Alright, so first startup. Doesn't actually feel any different to what it did before. So I've got the Tuff mounts with the red bushing, and like when I first put that in, like there was a massive difference. Like you could feel the vibrations from the engine, but I don't feel any difference right now. Let's go for a drive. I don't feel any difference in vibration. I don't notice any vibration with this new mount. Feels exactly how it did before with the stock mount, but it does feel more connected, like because I had the broken mount, like it had like quite a bit of movement in it. I don't feel any movement with this, but I don't have any I don't feel any like crazy vibration like I thought I would. That might be due to the yellow bushings, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is a great upgrade. I mean, like, just there's not going to be crazy vibrations like you'd think. And there's also not like a transmission sound that you sometimes get with the solid mounts. So I think this is a great upgrade because you won't have to replace it again, and like if it's not gonna have crazy vibrations, like it's good, and it feels way more connected. But yeah, I'll probably do another review, like a long-term review, see how it goes.